Hello BewtyPies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about my February Ipsy Glam bag. For those of you who don't know what the heck an Ipsy Glam bag is, let me clue you in on this wonderful product. Ipsy is a monthly subscription service that provides its subscribers with a monthly makeup bag filled with 5 deluxe cosmetic samples. Every month you'll receive different samples and they'll tailor your bag according to the profile that you fill out, and your profile will include your skin tone, type, your hair color, and whatever other preferences you choose. It's a pretty extensive survey that you fill out, so they really do try to get to know you, what your preferences are, what you like. They even ask where you shop, just so that they can do a good job of tailoring your bag to the things that you may like. I know I pay about $10 a month for my bag based on my annual subscription. They also have a deluxe bag now where you can pay $25 a month for 5 full-size samples. I'm gonna go ahead and dive into my glam bag for the month of February. Real quick, this is the mailer that it comes in. So make sure that once you pull out your makeup bag from this mailer, you check the mailer to see if there's anything else in there, because sometimes they give you a brush, like a cosmetics brush or a mask, and it's too big to put in here, so they just put it directly inside the mailer. In the bag with the products, there is a card that comes with the description of all the products, how to use them, what the full size value is. And I wouldn't overlook this, because sometimes they give you the tips on how to use the product that you would think that you could use the product for. So like, let's say an eyeshadow they give you that can also be used as a blush, things like that. So it's really helpful to read through this and see how the product is used. The first product I want to talk about is the eyeshadow, and it is by a company called IBY Beauty. It is the City Limits eyeshadow in Headliner. So a little bit about the brand. We're all about self-expression, and that's why we love IBY Beauty. They aim to inspire people to be the best versions of themselves through makeup, using high-quality ingredients and formulas to create color products that allow you to express your personality. I love reading about the brand because it shows you what they're about, and it kind of makes you trust their product more. For me, that's always the case, because if they're gonna go into depth about what their products are, what their mission is, and what their goals are, and it usually has something to do with the quality of the ingredients, you know that the quality of the product is going to be pretty good. Typically it is. The Headliner is a metallic eggplant color that's a staple in our kit for romantic eye looks or updating our smoky eye. It is heavily pigmented. It's one swipe. And it says on here that it won't crease on you, so your eye look will stay beautiful all day long. I can't speak to that just yet, because I've only been wearing it for about a couple of hours. The shadow is vegan, free of talc, mineral oil, and parabens, all the stuff that can potentially harm you. This good for you skin eyeshadow is the perfect way to show your lids some love. The velvety formula is infused with rosehip seed oil to help nourish and protect the delicate skin on your lids. Although I'm a little surprised at rosehip seed oil, because I talked about this in my skincare video, that rosehip seed oil, I have to be very careful with rosehip seed oil, because if I use it every day, it can dry out my skin. So I'm surprised that they put that in eyeshadow, but it does not feel drying at all. It feels very nourishing, very smooth, creamy, blended in nicely with my outer corner shadows. I used the Jaclyn Hill palette, the original palette, for the rest of my eyeshadow. The value of the full-size version of this product, which is 18 grams, is $20. This is 1.5 grams. So just based on that price of the full product, you know they're a luxury brand, and it does feel like a luxury eyeshadow. Now, I didn't think that it really stood out among any of the other eyeshadows that I've ever tried. It's just a good eyeshadow. Next item is a primer. It is by It Cosmetics. This is a luxury brand sold at Ulta. About the brand: what do you get when you combine clinically tested, problem-solving products with cutting-edge technology and the best ingredients out there? It Cosmetics. Developed with plastic surgeons and dermatologists, this brand creates game-changing formulas that truly work. I have received quite a few samples in here. Recently I received one of their moisturizing creams, and I thought it was a pretty good cream. I wanted to use this under my makeup today, and I completely forgot. Once I had put my foundation on is when I remembered that I forgot to try this on. So can't really tell you how it feels. This primer is called Your Skin But Better Primer Plus Oil Free Makeup Gripping Base Pore Refiner and Hydrator, and it's got an all-day grip technology. Why you'll love it: you don't always need primers, but this multitasking formula has so many benefits for your skin and makeup. Ooh, I like that, because usually primers are known to like make your makeup more long lasting and to just enhance the look of your makeup. But this is claiming that it also benefits your skin, which makes sense that, you know, primers, if they were more nourishing, that more people would want to use them. It creates a light barrier between your skin and foundation to keep sweat and oils from causing your makeup to fade or look splotchy. In addition, it's made with skin-loving bark and ginger root extracts that help nourish your skin from the inside out and refine your pores for a super smooth complexion. Again, I'm not always a big believer in using natural oils and natural products in makeup and skincare products, because I learned, it's like how I learned with my rosehip seed oil, it's not always going to be easy on your skin. You know, you assume like a natural ingredient is going to be less abrasive on your skin, but that's not true. Sometimes oils can be very abrasive as well. So until you try it, you're not going to really know it's going to work for you. So I love that you get the opportunity to get a little sample and try this on your skin. Formulated for dry skin, it's hydrating without feeling heavy. And if you're sensitive or oily, it's super gentle and non-irritating, and the lightweight, oil-free formula feels like it's barely there. So I will just open it up and put a little bit on my hand so you can see the consistency of it. That's consistency, yeah. So it's feels very lightweight, very soft, colorless. This is 5 milliliters for the sample size, and the full size version is 30 milliliters for $39. Next product is the hand cream. This is by the brand Mercy Handy, and it's called Hello Sunshine. This is a very nice smelling hand cream. So a little bit about the brand. Mercy Handy's mantra: life is rich, beautiful, and surprising. Imagine a colorful parallel universe to integrate into your daily life to bring color wherever you go, making the ordinary extraordinary. If I haven't mentioned it yet, I'm reading the information off of the website, the Ipsy website. I love all the hand creams that I've ever gotten in the Ipsy handbags. They do a great job of selecting the brands that sell these types of items, because every single one is always very rich and emollient. I have 3 dogs and a toddler, and so I'm washing my hands very often. So I like to have something within reach that is very moisturizing, and they all smell so good. Every single one I've ever gotten smells so good. Why you love it: winter weather can wreak havoc on your hands. This ultra nourishing yet totally lightweight hand cream is here to help, and that is so true. Like, I couldn't believe how lightweight this is. This is what it looks like. Is so it's really nice and soft. It smells really nice. It smells like the summer. It's a sweet floral fragrance that delivers instant vacay vibes as soon as you squeeze it out of the tube. That is true. When you squeeze out the lotion, if you look closely, you'll see tiny yellow dots. Those are special emollient pearls that protect your skin and give this cream an added moisture boost. So I saved my favorite products for last. These last 2 items are my favorite products from this month's bag. This is the Tarte Sex Kitten liquid liner in black. Little kitten face on the cover, which is so cute. I love that. But that is not why this is my favorite product. I have a feeling this is going to become my new standard eyeliner, liquid liner. I'm wearing it on my eyes right now. It's a felt tip liner. And I'm sure you're familiar with Tarte. It's a luxury brand that is sold at both Sephora and Ulta. In addition to always being on trend, innovative, and totally unique, Tarte Cosmetics is committed to creating vegan-friendly, paraben-free, gluten-free, phthalate, I think that's how you pronounce it, phthalate-free products that are never tested on animals. This brand, I remember when it first came out, just years ago, maybe when I was first introduced to it, it was all about like natural ingredients and products, and so I've always admired the brand for that, and they've definitely become a huge brand, and they have so many products now. So it's great that they have this brand as part of our monthly bag. So why you love it: date night, girls night, this baby creates liner looks for every occasion. If you're gonna put in the time to perfect your cat eye, you need this waterproof liquid liner to make sure it lasts. So that's good to know that it's gonna last, because it went on so nicely and dark. It's pretty obvious that it's gonna last, but I guess that's what they formulated it for as well, to last very long. Once it's on, it's on. Seriously, this fast drying formula is smear proof, budge proof, and everything else proof for up to 12 hours. Nothing's worse than liquid liner that goes on patchy, which is why we like this ultra pigmented jet black shade. This is the first time I've used a felt tip liquid liner where when I put the liner on, when I put the felt tip onto my skin, every single time it left a lot of ink, every time. So that alone, because that's not typical with felt tip liners, that you see that much ink come out at every little touch of it on your skin. So this is amazing. I cannot wait to use this more frequently and see how it works for me. We've been wearing it for a couple hours, so as far as a long wear, I don't know yet, but just from wearing it for the first time, this is the best liquid liner I've ever used. Ever. Felt tip liquid liner. The NYC liquid liner is still, I think, the best in terms of how dark it is, but so the full size is 1.4 milliliters, and this is 1 milliliter. So this is nearly the size of the full size product, and that's $20. The 1.4 milliliters is $20. And so you're getting a very good value here. This is what I mean by a lot of times you get products where just one product alone is worth $10. But this one, as well as the next one I'm going to talk about, is definitely worth $10. The tip here, it says here also that if you store your felt tip liners upside down, it helps keep them from drying out. Okay, that's something I've never heard of before with felt tip liners, so I'm definitely going to try that to see if that helps keep it nice and fresh. Through the Ipsy website, you can get the full size version that's $20 at a discounted price of $17. So that's a really nice discount. This video is not sponsored by Ipsy at all. Probably already guessed that, but I know I've been like really pushing it. So next is this liquid lipstick by Colored Rain. It is in the color Red Sea. This is one of the products that I was able to select. Every once in a while, Ipsy will email you before they package your bag, and they'll let you select one of the products from like a range of like 20 something products, and it's like skincare, makeup, nail polish, different kinds of items. So this time I selected this liquid lipstick. I always think like liquid lipsticks are always the best value because they almost always come in something close to a full size, and this was just one swatch of the wand in the tube. I pulled it out and I applied it all over my lips. I didn't have to go back in for more color at all. So it's very heavily pigmented. It was so soothing and soft on the lips. You can tell right away when a liquid lipstick is going to be drying. It'll feel dry. It happens a lot with drugstore liquid lipsticks. This was so moisturizing. It's a great formula. About the brand, proof that you can do anything you put your mind to. Lorraine Doughty founded Colored Rain in 2013 after leaving a high-powered job in the financial industry to pursue her dream of creating a cosmetic line. Her goal was to encourage self-expression, diversity, and include shades that celebrate women of color. So it's not surprising that this is my first favorite red lipstick because it is designed by a woman of color, and it really takes a woman of color to understand a woman of color. So it says, from feathering to fading, deep red lips can be tricky. This beautiful maroon liquid lipstick gives you all the boldness with none of the hassle. If longevity is your #1 priority when it comes to lip color, then you're in luck because this baby doesn't budge. So this creamy formula dyes down to a gorgeous matte finish that's 0% drying. So far, not drying at all. This baby is pigmented. You only need one swipe to get intense color payoff. Yes. Yes. This uniquely shaped doe foot applicator is super versatile. Use it to line, shape, and fill your lips. That is actually one of the things I love about liquid lipsticks in general. The doe foot applicator on these liquid lipsticks do a really nice job of lining your lips so that you get a really like a pouty and a full lip effect. Full size of this is 4 grams for $17. This is 3.5 grams. So I mean, you're pretty much getting a full size product here. So just this one and then the Sex Kitten liquid liner alone, like these are very close to full size products that retail for 17 to 20 bucks. So there you see how you get a $45 to $50 value for just one Ipsy bag that's costing you $10 to $12. And there is a huge discount. So if you buy this on the website, it is only $10 for the full size. Which if you try to buy a liquid lipstick on the luxury end, it is always like $15, $20, mostly on the $20 range. So this really feels like a luxury high-end, like this is comparable to like the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipsticks. So those are all the products for my February glam bag. In honor of my first Ipsy review video, I'm going to be giving away my Ipsy bag from the month of January. So this is the bag. It's so cute. This is actually one of my favorite bags I've ever gotten. I love it. It's that marble white gray print, a pink zipper. It has a really great material, soft vinyl material. I'll tell you real quick what's in there. H2O Beauty. This is the Oasis Ultra Hydrating Cream. Then there is a cleanser by Glow Recipe. It's the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. Then there is an eyeliner by the brand Aracelli. Aracelli is the brand, and it is a felt tip liner in the color Coffee. Then there is a lip gloss by the brand Beauty For Real, and it is in the color Nudist. And this is a luxury end lip gloss, so it's going to be of really good quality. It's a really nice pink nude color. And then this is one of my favorite products. I have received so many of these in beauty bags, like one in my Sephora Play bag and Ipsy bags over the years. This is the Gimme Brow by Benefit. If you have not tried this, you will love it. This is in the color Neutral Deep Brown 4.5. And it's basically like a tinted brow gel. So if you would like to win this bag, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and then just comment down below and let me know what is your favorite liquid lipstick brand and why. So when you comment, just leave me a way to contact you, or it could even be through your Instagram. I'll direct message you on your Instagram if that's easy, but I'll just need to contact you and find a way to get your address so I can send you your Ipsy Glam bag. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!